Alright, so I'm back with another video. I'm about to put my chicken in. My grease is hot enough, so I let my chicken sit. And I'm about to put all of this chicken in the pot. Woo! Real hot, but go ahead and get it right. I think I might have let it get a little too hot. Cut it down just a little bit. And yeah, this is my dinner. I should be eating about an hour maybe. I don't know. Guess it depends on how long it's gonna take to cook. So put it back up a little bit. Oh yeah, this is all I do when I'm cooking. I don't know who all gonna eat it. I know my youngest son said he will eat the spaghetti at least, so won't be a waste of my energy. And then at least when I get off work tomorrow, I won't have to cook anything because everything is going to be done. Hopefully it'll be done for a couple days, depending on who all eats. So yeah, I'm not a chef. Never claimed to be a chef, but I do enjoy cooking when I got the energy. So this is about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my eye back up, put the rest of this chicken in, and I don't know if y'all want to see the end result, like when I'm taking the chicken out, how it looks. I could do that if you want me to. If not, I'm gonna eat and try to find a good movie to watch. And that's about it. Making sure all my chicken is coated in the flour. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this little video of mine. I enjoyed making it. And what else? Yeah, I wanted to make some string beans with it, but maybe next week or something like that. So I'll do that later. So alrighty, got a couple more seconds left. Deuces.